Python Flask static. In this video, we are going to run when static directory is necessary and how to use static directory. If we want to add design properties to the HTML page, we create a style sheet file and include it in the HTML. Then we are to save the style sheet and how to include it. For this purpose, static directory is used. Files which are not changed frequently, such as style sheet, JavaScript, and image, are stored in static directory. mkdir shop and manager static slash css static slash js static slash image. We create a test style sheet file vi test.css h1 color blue, h2 color green. It's a very simple style sheet. We include the test style sheet file in index.html. vi index.html. We add a link tag here. Link area style sheet. href double curly brackets are used. Function URL4 is used instead of hard-coded URL string. The first argument is static. Static is a reserved keyword which indicates the static directory. File name css/test.css. CSS is directory, test.css is file. In order to see the change, we need to restart a patch, or we can add a configuration option of the main app script. vi shop app manager.py. We set templates auto reload option to true. If this option is true, our patch reloads Flask app when template file changes. This option only applies to the changes of template files, not the changes of other Python files. We access the home page again. The style sheet is successfully applied. We create a test JavaScript file. vi test.js. Function test say hello. It's a very simple JavaScript file. we include the test JavaScript file in index.html. vi index.html. We add script tag here. Script source. Double curly brackets are used. Function URL4 is used. The first argument is static. The second argument is filename js/test.js. JS is the directory. Test.js is the file. We add a button to call the JavaScript function. Button type button on click test say hello. If we click this button, JavaScript function test say hello is called. We access the home page again. If we click this button, hello message appears. We create a test image file. We download the Flask logo as the test image. See URL, download URL, test.png. It is downloaded. We include the test image file in index.html. vi index.html. Image source, double curly brackets are used. Function URL4 is used. The first argument is static. The second argument is filename image/test.png. Image is the directory. Test.png is the file. We access the home page again. The test Flask logo image appears. In summary, a static directory is required to store static files such as stylesheet, JavaScript, and image. Function URL4 is used to denote the path of the static files. Thank you for watching this video.